YouTube, 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 YouTube. What it do, what it do, what it do? It's your girl Key and I'm back with another video. As y'all can tell by the title, you see what's going on. You see what's cracking. Your girl had none. So I need to be on my, let's do another thumbnail. Yes, guys. I'm back with another video. I'm about to just do a quick mukbang. Y'all about to listen to music with me. Not really listening to music, y'all, because y'all know y'all get copyrighted. But, I'll let y'all listen to some of the music. I think I got mild, and then I got original hot. Whatever it is, it's good. Y'all miss my kids. Right? It's been 3 weeks since I seen my kids. Literally 3 weeks. And it's like, I miss them. I really miss them. I have to make sure they didn't get on my carpet, y'all. But I guess it fell back in the ranch. Y'all, this food is so good. I think I'm about to try a hot one, though. My hot ones be hot, though, y'all. One thing I can say is since I've had my children, my spice level, like the level that I could take eating, has went down. It's hard for me to eat hot chips. It's hard for me to eat spicy food, period. Like hot stuff, period. It could be just hot sauce. It could be anything. But before I was pregnant, that's all I wanted was hot chips and all that. I can't eat it like that. Like them hot fries, I don't know if it's the recipe change or it's probably just me, but I don't like it. See? They hot one's not that bad. Hair, ew. I know it's mine though, so it's all good. Wingstop really don't have the best fries. Like, their fries not even top 10 to me. So tomorrow is Father's Day, and my kids is not down here, and I have to work a whole 10-hour shift, guys. This probably be out tonight or probably after tonight, probably on Father's Day. But like, that's a 10-hour shift, so I'm just gonna work that, get the money, cause my kid's not here. Just call it a day. This is how my wings look, y'all. Like, they really good. I know I keep saying I miss my kids. I do miss my kids. But it's also like, I need to make this money. So like, they gotta stay where they at. You understand what I'm saying? So it's like, it's really like, it's not that hard because I go to work. And if I'm not at work, I walk to my store because I be wanting to, chill and do shit. That shit look good. I don't know if it's good. Oh my God, it got on my carpet. I need to gain weight, okay? But I'm trying to do it like the unnatural way. Anyway, I'm gonna do it the unnatural way. Meaning that I wanna get shit to make me gain weight. Because I smoke. Yeah, I don't eat. Like, I don't eat like that. I'm eating right now, yes. But that's because I chose to order shit. It is what it is. Top 3 fries, okay? This is my top 3 fries. McDonald's, of course. Rallies / Popeyes. That's the same thing because they got the same fries. But no cap, Rally fries taste like kind of better than Popeyes fries. Cause like Rally fries got a little crunch to them. Popeyes fries be soggy. I don't like soggy fries. That's why I don't like deep fried Wingstop fries. I can't ever finish up my food, y'all. I always say that. I lost so much weight between now and 2021. Like, in 2021, I was like 140 something. I think the biggest I was like 147. Now I'm like 120. I'm probably less than 120. Because that was like a couple weeks ago. And I'm way bigger than that now. I mean smaller than that now. Because I don't cook or nothing. I don't cook because my people not home yet. And it's like, what am I really cooking for? I'm not going to eat that food. And that's going to be a waste of food. So I just rather wait till them to come home to cook. So I'm waiting for them to come home. And then, once they come home, your girl going to be cooking again. I got a lot of fries left. That's the end of this mukbang, I guess you could call it. I'm not gonna really, like, y'all, don't mind the bed or nothing. I gotta fix it and stuff. I've been laying on it. Well, it's really fixed. The sheet on it and stuff, But, I'm about to go to sleep, guys. I gotta work early in the morning tomorrow. Well, Father's Day. I want to say happy Father's Day to all the fathers. All the fathers that's actively in their children's life, that's doing shit for their kids. Happy Father's Day. Make sure you like, y'all, this video. Make sure you comment. Comment whatever the fuck y'all want. I don't really care. Y'all don't want to comment. I don't really give a fuck. But, yeah, that's the end of this video. Just make sure y'all subscribe, though. Y'all know y'all fuck with me. I fuck with y'all. So just subscribe. And yeah, y'all, your girl is out. I'm about to go chill. Probably call my cousin. Probably about to call my mama. Talk to my kids. But yeah, bye.